Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ there, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the colour of a shape in Adobe Photoshop CC. So if I open Photoshop up, I have this example here. So if we look at the layers, as you can see, I have a plain white background, and then 4 separate rectangular shapes. Now in order to change the colour of one of these shapes, the first thing you need to do is you need to select that shape. So if I just select this shape here, and then once you have the shape selected, you then want to come across to the Properties tab, and then in the Properties tab, you then want to scroll down to Appearance. Now in order to change the colour of the shape, you want to change the fill colour here, and if you have an outline on it, you also want to change the stroke colour here if you want to change that. So if I just click on fill, then you can either select one of your recently used colours, or you can click on the colour selector here, and then you can select a colour like so. So if I just change it to light blue and I click OK, that will then change the colour of the shape. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.